Python originated as a scripting language. With Python, you just write top-level code in a text file, and it gets executed from top to bottom. But Python also allows developers to write component libraries. Python is often used to create object-oriented systems or libraries of functional methods. However, a problem occurs when a Python file contains both top-level code and a component definition. The problem? Anytime a developer imports the component, all of the top-level code runs. This is where Python's if name equals main construct comes in. If a Python file contains reusable components or methods along with executable code, devs are asked to move the executable code into the if name equals main method block. If the Python file is being used as the main entry point of an application, then the code in the if name equals main block is executed. If not, the code gets used as a reusable library. It's that simple. That's the purpose of the if name equals main construct in Python. You use it anytime you have executable code and reusable component libraries inside the same file. Oh, and if you're agile and working with Scrum, please check out my recently published Scrum Master Certification Guide. It's available on Amazon. Python and Java devs will love it. We done? Yay.